All right. Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into another Friday. We have completed another week. We are halfway through November. We got Thanksgiving next week. We've got, turn that down, Daddy's in session. And then before you know it, we'll be finished at the for the year and see how we have done. And it's been a great, very disciplined year, much unlike last year when we were a little bit on the reckless side. So we've been really good today. Look at this market. Market just will not go down, will it? Up 0.18% and has been strong. Hit that pivot point and never look back, making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs probably yet to come. AD is 165. VIX is in the 13 handle. And volume is non-existent. What do they say? Never short a quiet market. Never short it because it could anyway. 2,800 contracts is nothing, y'all. So we're up just a little bit. Volume is in, so we should be doing really good on our net lick today. Let's look at the volume profile, see what it looks like. We're fairly priced. Everything looks fairly priced. Target is 45.84. However, we may see a revisit to this area to test this volume. So we've got a probability cone that looks something like that over the next 10 days. But we are at the point of focus, the point of control where the most volume has traded. So interesting to see what we do over the next 10 days. Probably more neutral than anything is what I'm looking at. More neutral than anything. Let's look at the expected move for this week and see how we took a look at it on Monday. Let's see what it looks like. Did we exceed the expected move for the week? And indeed we did. Look at this, y'all. This was the expected move for the week. And the top of that was about 44.72. And look, we just shot up and through it. So we've got a week of behaving, a week of not behaving, a week of not behaving, a week of not behaving. So let's see if we get a week of behaving during the holiday of Thanksgiving. That should be interesting. Let's look at the volume profile or the linear regression. Linear regression still shows volume going down into the holiday with the market going up. We do expect to see some type of turnaround. So we will see if that happens in the next couple of days and some reversion back into our little color area here. So, it's not definite, but it certainly looks like volume on the up move has continued to go down. So we'll see if this is a little overdone and if we come back down into the linear regression channel. All right, let's check out our accounts today. Let's start with the Crimson account and see how Crimson is doing today. Should be at all-time high. Let's see, we are at 24,553. 24,553. Here we go. 24. No, not a lot. 24,553, but that's enough to fire up the band Rico. So you and I are up 16%, and the market is up 17.39%. So we're doing really, really good in keeping up with the market. And remember, if the market goes down, we would still have 16.4%. So, we do good if we can hang with the market in up times, and we should outperform the market in down times. That's my thesis. That's the hypothesis. We shall see if it works out that way. Now let's do our Greeks and ratios in our little account. And let's see here. We are at 13:21. Beth, I'm in a class, honey. Can y'all hold it down? Hey, don't tell me to shut up in front of my friends and family. 13:21. Unbelievable. Jesus, Beth. 13:21. I'm trying to do a little session here if you don't mind. Well, get him out. Take him back to school for the love of God. Jeez. All right, so we're 13. Do y'all's spouses treat y'all like I get treated around here? Oh, Beth. Oh, hush. I treat you like a queen. 6,500. She is in a mood. Oh, Lord. JoJo, shut up. Nobody wants to hear from you. Shut up. All right, so we're almost where we want to be on theta. Let's see if any of our trades say that they need closing. So these are under 20. I think I'm going to leave them on, though. Now, this debit spread will end today, so let's take it off. it will expire worthless, as they often do. 1723. Yeah, and I'm not going to put on trade today. We're so close to where we need to be in theta. Well, I'll say I'm not. I kind of want, let's see, what's my buying power in this one? We're only using 25%. Let's do a trade, dang it. Let's just do it. Let's get our theta above the 0.1. I think that's what we need to do. All right, so let's do it. Trade and MES. Thank goodness if Hal's here. I'm not doing the ES today. Hal was eating yesterday. He would have helped me. Let's see. So where we want to go? We want to go 119 days. Sounds good. And we'll go to the 5 delta. 5% probability of being in the money. So that's this. Let's do this one. It's got tighter bid ass. 37.50. Let's see if we can get 15 for them. Here we go. 2 of those. And fill me, baby. There we are. So we sold that, the 37.50 for 15. 37.50 for 15. Let's go put it in. 37.50 for 15.
They can only fill one contract.
Did I? What is wrong with me? I have so many problems.
Put into it, only filled one.
Oh, it only filled one. Look at that. Okay, we'll let it work for a second. Isn't that weird? Huh. Working order, filled one. Okay. Let's see if we get filled here in a second. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in. Hopefully we'll get filled. That's strange that only one filled. I mean, if we were doing 100 contracts, I could see splitting them up, but that's something. 37.50 and puts, and we got filled at what? 14.75 at 119 days. 11, 17, 23. Wasn't it 14.75 or was it 15?
15.
15. Thank you, Hal. Hal, I need to just get you and me every day to trade. I mean, I am terrible on my own. Yes. I'm gonna put in 2. There we go. Ha ha ha. There we go. Now we got our 2 in. Now let's go make sure. Yeah, 15. All right, good. So we got that one in. So now let's go do our what do you say? Put debit spread. So we're gonna do that at around a 25 delta. 25 here. I don't want to buy here and sell here because I've already bought here. So I can buy where I've sold and buy where I bought and sell where I've sold. That makes any sense. So that one's at 850. See if we can get filled here. 875. There we go. 855. Right? 855. 4350. 4300. 4350. 4300. Oh, Beth is a mood, boy. Oh, Lord. I don't know. It must be that time of month or something. Goodness. Yeah, I was a little reckless today. I apologize for the behavior of my wife. 8, what do we say, 55? MES. I'm trying to whisper too so she don't hear me. But she mean. Ooh. What does she mean? All right, 99. And I think I got filled at 855. Let's check it out. Yep, 855. Now, don't forget, go over here and put them in your groups. So we've got unallocated. We got nakeds. And we got to put that spread. Beautiful. All right, let's go to the okay, we're finished with this one. Now it does say close all these, but we understand why we're not. We'll try to take those down for another week, get them down to around 21 days. That's where Tasty says to do it, right? So really proud of this account. This is our account that's doing really, really good. All right, so now let's do the Tasty account and see how it's doing. If I can find it. So let's go to this one first. The Bobby account. 41066. 41066 going once, twice, 3 times. 41066. All right. Oh man. How we lose $32 on that? That ought to be up. Volatility's down. You know, who knows? All right, let's do our Greeks and ratios over here. So here we are at this one right here. 41,109. Rocco. 41,109. That's a lot of theta. 41,109. Oh, and that's because we put that ES trade in this one, remember? On accident. I think that's the reason. Okay. So our buying power over here is 12,179. That's not bad though. 12,179. Our buying power went down. Okay. What are we going to do with this one? I say absolutely nothing. I like my theta. Theta looks good. 0.27%. We're at 30% buying power. Hey, I'm good. I don't think there's anything to do here. Let's close it, baby. All right, let's go to the mega account. So 11, 17, 23. And the mega account looks like, look at this risk profile, y'all. And it's beautiful. Watch. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, it's good. 451, 523. 451, 523. 451, 523. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
102.90. 102.90. Okay. We're building it up slowly but surely. Now, y'all don't forget the Muscadine Mafia session coming up. We're going to be dealing with building this account out. So y'all hang around with us for Muscadine Mafia today. And our buying power usage is 398,990. That ought to round off to 399. $399,000. Ta-da! We're using 88%. And remember, we added a few little things. Now, this is horrible, y'all. We are underperforming the market, but remember why? We're just building this account out, right? We're just building it out. But at the same time, we're building it out really good because we have made $1,472 in just 15 days. That's really, really good. Account's just growing, right? And we should put this thing on autopilot. All right, so that's it, y'all. Y'all have a great, great weekend getting ready for Thanksgiving. And I'll see the rest of you in Muscadine Mafia.